Hello guys, welcome to my new vlog. This is Sanjana from the beautiful city of Brussels और आज हम जाने वाले हैं the Medieval Fair and it is happening in Parc de Saint-Quentin, if I'm pronouncing it right, because it's a very weird name. French translations बहुत different होता है, but yeah, we took the metro and Aj actually the weather is a blessing for us because it's going to get like 27 degrees highest, which is a blessing for Brussels people, and we were all excited. And dhoop tha, it's gonna be there till like 10:30. So we all packed some lunch and मैं और Akash, we took the metro and we went there. So we were meeting up with Anisha and the gang too, and this is how the medieval fair looks like. Summers में यूरोप स्पेशली ब्रसल्स, क्योंकि मैं यहीं पे रहती हूँ, so I can talk about Brussels. So there's a lot happening out here. अभी jazz weekend चल रहा है. This fair thing is going on. Next we'll have the Zeniki parade next week. Then उसके बाद I think midi fair भी होने वाला है, midi carnival, which is very close to my house. Or we'll get to see a lot happening, and because of the weather, it has been actually a blessing for us to go out and check it out. बहुत गर्मी था, इतना गर्मी मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था, क्योंकि इतने महीने यहाँ पे आके ठंडे में the body got used to it, and then suddenly it's like garam. So we were feeling really really hot, and we were sweating, and we were gulping water all the time. So yeah. And this fair is all about the 15th century. So people go back in time, they wear clothes like that. The shopkeepers, they were dressed from the medieval period. They were using the tools that was used long back, जो अभी आपको देखने भी नहीं मिलेगा. So you had the same food that they used to eat, the barbecue stuff and all that. The good wine, the alcohol they used to drink. Like आप समझ लो कि I was in a place which was a mix of Pirates of the Caribbean, Narnia, Harry Potter. So it was all that mix, and I was right in the middle, and I was enjoying this part because मैंने movies में देखा है. And then suddenly you are somewhere like जो time से बाहर आपको लेके जाता है. So it was actually a very good day for me. ये shops में there were so many things that was handcrafted, and it was expensive because leather was there. I saw the fur, the wool. मतलब ये लोग सब अपना shops बिठाते हैं, the boutique shops, and they showcase their artwork, their handwork, and you can buy stuff. You can dress up like them if you want. So you had the free hand to do anything you want. So यहाँ पे बहुत crowd था, और आज इतना गर्मी था बोल के we were actually looking for shade कि जहाँ पे हम लोग जाके बैठे, क्योंकि the European people, they love the sun. They would go out in the sun and they'll look like a tomato, which is actually a compliment, because for us, if we go in the sun, our skin is going to turn completely black. So हम लोग shades ही ढूंढ रहे थे so that we could sit under a tree or something. But आप धूप देख सकते हो कि कितना मतलब light है, and this was around like 5 o'clock I guess. And then कुछ सालसा जैसा हो रहा था, पीपल वर डांसिंग, और यहाँ पे मैंने सुना कि होते रहता है वीकेंड पे. सो वी वेंट टू दिस पार्क फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. यहाँ पे आकाश का जाने का बहुत मन था. It's quite far from our place, but if you take a metro and you change a metro and you'll easily get there. So this was the place. The paintings, oh my god, I saw so much, and इतना crowd था honestly, क्योंकि आप ना सारे shops में जा नहीं पा रहे थे because आप देखो कितना crowd होके रखा है. So I was trying to get a view कि कौन सा stall में क्या बेच रहा है. So this was the beautiful pieces that was they are selling. These were like a cheap. And then आप देख सकते हो कि chocolates भी है, and so much more they were selling, which was like not that you get नॉर्मल शॉप में आपको मिलेगा नहीं. ये लोग हैंडक्राफ्ट करके होता है ना कि मिडिवल का वो लुक दे के दे ट्राई टू कीप देम in the shop, and you can check out the dresses. Look at these dresses, like आप ले सकते हो. It was very expensive, but you have like the crafts, the jewelries, and so much, and good food too. Actually food का भी बहुत stall लगा हुआ था, and you can see like छोटे छोटे चीज़ that was on display. These डायरीज, दिस वॉज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. यू कैन सी द प्राइसेस. एक नॉर्मल मीडियम साइज का डायरी वॉज लाइक 40 euros. So yeah, it was crazy expensive, but yeah, I was loving this park. And I did not get Mishi because I know बहुत क्राउड होने वाला था. मैंने रील में देख लिया था. सो आई थॉट कि एक तो गर्मी है एंड बहुत चलना भी पड़ेगा टू एक स्टॉल से दूसरा स्टॉल, ये बैठो ये करो. सो आई kept Mishi at home and I wanted her to feel like normal because वो भी used to नहीं है with this weather. तो मुझे ये कान मिल गया, like this is something that you could put like from the Lord of the Rings, you could like understand. So people were buying this ears and they were putting it on top of your ear and it looked like you are from the Lord of the Rings and you are like a vampire, you're like a golem or whatever you can say. And then we were again very hungry because Abhina, I think it was like 7:30 or something, and we were trying to look for some good food. पर यहाँ पे mostly like it was like barbecues and some stuff जो हम लोग नहीं खाते हैं, तो इसीलिए हम लोग को थोड़ा problem हो रहा था to search for something that we like, we want to eat. And then मुझे ये सब दिखा, the horns and all. I don't know if these are real or not, but ये लोग वो लगा के रखे थे and it was looking amazing. ये अटायर में the headpiece costs around 350 euros. It was written on it and imagine that. Oh my god, it was beautiful. देखने में तो बहुत सुंदर था. But yes, अगर मतलब if you want to buy something then you have to pay a lot for this. क्योंकि obviously I think ये लोग handcraft करके ऐसे शोकेस करता है. like for 3 days only this fair is happening, so people from all around Europe have come here. So they were checking it out. यहाँ पे earrings, jewelries, as I said, everything was there. And then मुझे मोर का पंख वाला earring दिखा and I was like अरे ये तो इंडिया में बहुत मिलता है, it's like 10 रुपए में आपको मिल जाएगा. But yeah, that was the fun part of it. मतलब इतना कुछ था, मैं एक्चुअली आपको बोल नहीं पा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग द वॉइस ओवर. क्रिस्टल्स था अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ज़ोडिएक एंड ऑल दैट. किड्स के लिए बहुत कुछ था. यू हैव दिस नेकलेसेस, नेक पीसेस, एंड इसके बीच में ये जो फाउंटेन एरिया है यहाँ पे पीछे परफॉर्म भी कर रहे थे लोग यूजिंग द 15th century instruments they had. Look at this broom. मैं यहाँ पे गई एंड आई वाज लाइक अरे this is Harry Potter. So I was like in every movie that was based on 15th century, 18th century, like back in the time when ये देख के मुझे Pirates of the Caribbean का याद आ गया, rum. So yeah, these people were performing, people were dancing, people were sitting, chilling, क्योंकि it was beautiful. So I was enjoying pub. The problem was कि मैंने जब से मैं ब्रसल्स में आई हूँ आई हैव ओनली बॉट लाइक विंटर क्लोथिंग्स. सो समर क्लोथ्स मेरे पास लाइक व्हेन आई वेंट टू ग्रीस आई गॉट लाइक 3 pairs, दैट्स ऑल. सो मुझे इसी से सबक मिला दैट आई नीड टू गेट सम समर क्लोथ्स टू बिकॉज अभी बहुत गर्म होने वाला है. आई मीन इट्स गोना बी देयर फॉर लाइक 10-15 days ऐसे नॉर्मल. तो बस वी वर एन्जॉइंग एंड वी वर सीइंग. ये सब स्वर्ड्स एंड ऑल बना था लाइक इफ किड्स वांट टू बाय. ये तो वुड का बना हुआ है बट रियल द swords were there and many things. Shields were there, the helmets were there. People were dressed as like the proper knight, with the helmet, shield, and so much with the sword and all. Oh my god, it was like a bliss for the eye. So it was a beautiful day and यहाँ पे मैं कभी आई नहीं. So this was the plan that we had and it was an amazing day. Anyway, तो आज का व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अगले व्लॉग में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.